Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can insert video clips into your video projects on Clipchamp from the Clipchamp content library. So let us get started. Alright guys, so what you want to do is here in the video editor is navigate to video project, and one way to insert video clips would be to import them from your device or from OneDrive. However, how to do that we already showed that in a separate tutorial. So let us continue with option number 2, and that would be inserting videos from the Clipchamp library. To do that, navigate to content library on the left hand side. Here, scroll down a bit and click into videos. Next, go through these collections or categories. You may also use the search bar here and go, for example, with, I don't know, flowers or something like that. And then go through these videos and position them on your timeline. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.